¡Vamos, Carlos!
I guess the best memories we take from this trip, it's probably the images that will stay forever in my head. You know, those views. It was the first time that people get into that area near K2 and fly, and it was also the first time it was ever recorded. So we could come back with amazing footage.
The biggest challenge probably was to fight against very cold conditions. Up there it was minus 30 degrees sometimes. I mean, it's really challenging to be able to fly paragliding so high. And also to fly above glaciers, which has no landing options, and to fly as safe as possible in this environment.
But every time I see the images and I remember this trip, I remember this view. And one of the biggest memory was when we saw a bird at more than 7,000 meters just next to K2. It was incredible to just see a bird out there and share the sky together.
Hola! ¿Qué tal?